Hello, thank you for joining us today. My name is Luna, and I'm the Youth and Outreach Program Coordinator at Murakami Museum and Japanese Gardens. Today, we're going to be making our own play Pocky and box to hold them in. This activity is our way of celebrating Pocky Day, Pocky no Hi. This is a fun day in Japan to recognize this popular cream-coated cookie stick snack. It began, Pocky Day, in 1999 and takes place every year on November 11th. That's because this date, 11/11, looks like 4 Pocky sticks. Now, why did it begin in 1999? That's because in the Japanese calendar, that is the 11th year of the Heisei era. This is not an important holiday in Japan, just a wonderful reason to eat this tasty treat. So let's make our own. Here's what you're going to need for this craft. Cardstock paper, scissors, coloring materials, glue stick or double-sided tape, craft paint, thin wooden sticks no longer than 7 inches, paintbrushes, and disposable plates. Now, let's go over the steps. First, for the play Pocky. For thin wooden sticks, I'm using these coffee stirrers that are 7 inches long. If your sticks are any longer than 7 inches, they will not fit in the box. Shorter is okay. Next, craft paint. You can get acrylic paint in whatever color you like for whatever flavor you'd like your Pocky to be. Here, I have popular flavors such as brown for chocolate, pink for strawberry, green for matcha, Japanese green tea. I decided to make most of mine matcha, and I painted some pink for cherry blossom flavor. You can make your Pocky set however you like. To paint the play Pocky, lay the stick on a disposable plate. Use a brush to paint one side. Let it dry, then flip it over and paint the other side. Do this for as many Pocky sticks as you want to make. Okay, now let's go over the steps for our box. You're going to take cardstock paper and download the Pocky Day file from the link in this video. Print it out onto this paper. Should look like this. Next, you're going to take scissors, any kind that are safe for you, and you're going to cut out the box along these thick black lines. So, now that we've cut it out, we're going to fold all along the thick gray lines. We're going to be folding into the inside of the box, the side with no template printed onto it. Right now, we're just going to be making creases, so we're going to fold in and then fold out again. We're going to be making 4 folds along the box and 3 folds across the box. So here's what it should look like. So we'll do across, 1, 2, 3, and then along, 1, 2, 3, 4. We finished the hardest part. So, next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to make 4 short snips along the gray dotted lines over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Before we go to the last steps of assembly, you'll want to grab some coloring materials and take some time to decorate the box how you want it to look. Once we finish putting the box together, it'll be very hard to color it without crushing it. So you can pause the video right now and go decorate, and then come play again when you're ready. Okay, now let's do the final steps. We're gonna take our double-sided sticky tape or our glue stick, and we're gonna run it all along the panel with the X's. Then we're gonna take the right side, the panel with the Japanese letters on them, and follow the folds into a box and overlap this panel to the one with the X's. You're going to press them together, and if you're using glue, make sure you give it time to dry before you go to the next step. Now, go to the bottom and tuck in the short ends. Then, stick one of the long flaps over the other one using glue or tape. Now all that's left is to put our Pocky inside of the box. We can close or open it however we like. Done! Thanks for watching! We here at the Murakami hope you've enjoyed this craft. We'd love to see what you've made. You can show us a picture of your Pocky box by leaving a picture in the comments or by tagging us on social media at Murakami Museum or with the hashtag Murakami. If you have any questions about this craft or anything else in this video, you can email me at the address on screen. Thanks for coming. Mata ne!